Can you relate? Are you stressed out because of all that is going on around the world? Have you been full of anxiety as the last 3.5 years have been out of a horror movie? You're like still beside yourself with the cost of living and the tension of the world? When you are sick and tired of no money and no time to be with your loved ones? When you're like, really? I can't seem to catch a break. When the price of everything goes up? When your boss thinks you are not doing enough to build his dreams and not yours? When you're driving a lot of hours and less hours with your family? When the last 3.5 years have made you think and realize what is really important? When you're like, I have got to build my own dreams? When you want to have less stress and not yell at your family and blame them? When your health is not 100% because of your job and stress and not able to buy the correct foods and vitamins you need? When you're not taking the time to work out? Well, I found a company that will help you live stress-free and have time and money as well. You can change your life, what you are doing. Change your life before life passes you by. Have the faith. Make that change before the spaceship leaves without you. Pay the $97 plus the $5 card fee and get in. Have less anxiety, live more, and worry less. Onpassive will make a huge impact in the world. Onpassive is AI, artificial intelligence, with heart and spirit. We are a journey. Join us in the journey and have a journey also of your own. I am Sherry Derseweh. I am a proud founder of Onpassive since 8/2/2018. I want to thank Bill Musk for all his tireless hours and helping me and so many. Also want to thank CEO Ash Mafari and his wife and family and all the tech team and staff and all that helped to help change the world and make it a better place. God bless.